What's up there, YouTube? It's Brian, and thanks for coming by my kitchen again. We are going to do a very easy recipe. It is an ice cream in the trusty old Vitamix machine here. A lot of people think it's really complicated, but it's really easy with these very simple steps. So, coming up in this video, we're going to be doing grape ice cream with only 2 ingredients, yogurt and frozen grapes. Coming right up. Okay, so the recipe is very simple. The instructions are very simple too. All you need to do to make an ice cream is take 3-part frozen, 1 part non-frozen, and you get an ice cream. Doesn't matter what the frozen product is, it doesn't matter what the non-frozen product is. It's a simple 3-to-1 ratio, and you get ice cream in your Vitamix. So, we're gonna start off with our non-frozen product, which is just vanilla Greek yogurt. And we're just gonna dump a bunch of that in there. Just like so. So I'd probably put about 1/4 cup, maybe 1/2 cup in there. And we're gonna take frozen grapes, which are completely frozen and washed, by the way. And there we go. We've got, now with frozen produce, it's not like ice. It's not gonna break up like ice does. It's a lot more frozen than that. So I've actually put in a little bit less than I would with just an ice kind of product. So we're gonna put on our lid, take off that. We're gonna use this thing called a tamper stick to push all the ingredients down into the blade. Very important that when you do this, hang on to the base of the machine and then start plunging away, okay? So we're going to start off our machine on low speed, and then we're gonna increase to 10 up to high speed for about, not even 30 seconds, maybe about 10 seconds or so. You ready? Let's do it. I know you can't really tell if it's ice cream or not, but let me show you. It's frozen, just like that. What you want to look for is you want to see mounds that kind of look like that on the inside. See how it scoops in the middle? Just like so, you got those 4 mounds. That means that the ice cream is solidified and you can serve it up in your favorite glass. So luckily, I have a couple of these old school kind of glasses here, so I'm going to serve this up. Now, keep in mind, it is kind of a soft serve kind of ice cream. It's not going to be like ice cream that you find at, you know, Dairy Queen or Baskin Robbins or something like that, but you get the idea. And there you go, grape ice cream, just like that. And there you have it, grape ice cream from your Vitamix. 2 ingredients, yogurt and frozen grapes. That's it. So let's try it out. Now that is amazing. Quick tip, grapes get sweeter as you freeze them, so you don't really need a lot of sugar or anything like that, just the yogurt and the grapes were good enough. So thanks again for coming by my channel, everybody. I really appreciate it. If you learned something new here today, make sure you leave a comment down below. If you are new to my channel and you like seeing videos like this, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss anything. Thanks again for coming by. I'll see you guys next week.